Hello everyone. As you all know, world is currently suffering from pandemic COVID-19 caused by novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. Since this strain of virus is new, there is no specific vaccine that can treat it. So what can be done? How can we protect ourselves and others from the infection? The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to virus. The principal mode of transmission is still thought to be respiratory droplets, which may travel up to 6 feet from someone who sneezes or coughs. Close contact with an infectious person, such as shaking hand or touching a doorknob or other surfaces touched by an infectious person and then touching your nose, eyes or mouth can also transmit the virus. To avoid contact with virus, recommended preventive measures includes hand washing, maintaining distance from other people, use of face masks, etc. Now we will see in details one of the above preventive measures, which is face mask. In this video we will also see how effective is homemade face mask, how to make it, do and don'ts, how to sanitize and store your face mask. Many health experts are suggesting use of face masks in public spaces could reduce the spread of infection. According to a report published in PubMed Analysis, if 50% of population were to wear a mask, only 50% of the population would be infected by the virus. But once 80% of the population wears a mask, outbreak can be stopped significantly. Masks lower the chances of coronavirus entering the respiratory system through droplets still in the air from an infected person. In India, wearing face mask is now compulsory in public places and workplaces. But on the other hand, scarcity of face masks is a reality. For that, Government of India has recommended homemade face mask. People can make these washable and reusable masks at home. There is various methods like stitching, using rubber band, etc. At the end of the video, I will demonstrate one. Key criteria for proposed design by government are ease of access to material, ease of making at home, ease of use and reuse. Researchers at Cambridge University have tested different household materials for homemade masks. They checked their effectiveness using 0.02 micron particles, which is 5 times smaller than coronavirus. It was found that the double layer of 100% cotton cloth is most effective at capturing small, which is around 70% as effective as surgical mask. This material is breathable, easily available and can be reused. So, this material can be used for homemade face masks. Some points you need to keep in mind. First, wash your hands thoroughly before wearing the mask. Second, wear your mask such that it covers bridge of your nose down to under your chin. Avoid touching the mask while using it. As soon as the mask becomes damp or humid or after 6 hours, switch to another mask and clean the used one. You must never reverse the mask for reuse. Always thoroughly wash mask after every use. Never ever share your mask with anyone. When removing the mask, don't touch the surface of mask. Remove it using a string. After removal, immediately clean your hands with the 70% alcohol-based sanitizer or soap and water for 40 seconds. Drop it directly into a soap solution or boiling water to which salt has been added. For reusing your mask, you must know how to clean and sanitize your homemade mask every day. You can use any of the methods. First method is thoroughly wash the mask in soap and warm water and leave it to dry in hot sun for at least 5 hours. Second method is place mask in water and salt and boil it in pressure cooker for 10 minutes. If normal boiling, then 15 minutes. Third method is wash and clean with soap and apply heat for 5 minutes. You may use an iron. Don't attempt to clean and boil disposable masks. They have material that can't withstand washing. It is recommended you make 2 masks, so you can wear one while other is washed. Next, how to store your clean mask. Thoroughly clean with soap any plastic bag and dry. Keep mask in it properly sealed. Homemade reusable masks only reduce the chances of inhaling droplets still in the air from the infected person. Wearing a mask is certainly not a guarantee that you won't get sick. Masks should be used in combination of other preventive measures like frequent hand washing, social distancing, etc. There are several methods to make face mask at home. I will demonstrate one. You need 100% cotton material like handkerchief and 2 rubber band. Fold the hanky twice like this. Now fold this again evenly from the middle. Take one rubber band and tie it on one side of the cloth like this. Now tie second rubber band on the other side. Ensure that area in the middle of 2 rubber band is big enough to cover your nose and mouth. Now fold cloth along rubber band and insert one fold to another. Voila, your mask is now ready. Hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.